Hello, welcome everyone. This is Awan Plamo. Today, I'm gonna build entry grade RX-78. This kit costs $7 US, contains 4 runners, manual book, and absolutely no stickers. Two runners for white parts and 2 runners for colored parts. Actually, you don't need a nipper for anti-grade kit. You can directly to pull out the part, but I prefer to use it to cut like other anti-grade kits. And then you can clean the excess plastic runner from each part by twisting it. After I'm done with cleanup, I'm trying to put them together, assemble each parts, and also inspecting how this kit works. When I'm done building it, I have to disassemble it back again. Second note, which part will be not visible when I do a paint job. What makes difference between this kit and high-grade RX-78? It's easier to build without losing how RX-78 is supposed to be, and that's really capture the goal of this grade. This kit can stand without any balancing problem, make a good poses, and pretty much has all the detail that we need. The handler could fit the high-grade beam saber if you have an extra from other kit, because sadly, we didn't get one. Okay, we have done seeing this, and let's disassemble the granddad and take a look which part we can keep them together for more efficiency of paint spraying. As usual, I'm gonna cut this part from antenna, sanding it with the rest of all noob marks on parts. This is a guide tape to help you to create a custom panel line on gunpla parts. This is not cheap, so you better have a good calculation how much you want to use. The most important thing about this process is how good and sharp and balanced is your scriber chisel. There are so many brands that comes with good quality scriber chisel, and the price may choke your wallet to death. Since I'm very bad at scribing, I can use the cheapest one and count this as my practice. After sanding and scribing, I need to wash them up so there will be no dirt left behind for painting process. And also any fingerprints on part that comes with body oil could make our painting durability less strong. Now it's time to primer all parts with Mr. Surfacer 1200. I need 3 types of green color, so I need to mix each other to get the color I desire by mixing the master green first for the base color. Then you can go with the rest. Make sure not to have small amount of each color so you have an extra if something terrible happen and you need to repaint all over again. Beside green color, I use stock colors that Mr. Color have on their catalog. To put off masking tape, You need really gently by slowly to pull them off and pay attention if any glues are still sticking on part. You can use Zippo liquid to clean any excess glue. As you can see, the good masking tape result bring a real happiness and satisfaction for builder. Now I'm done painting all parts and spray them with gloss top coat before I put the decals on. If you like this video and find this entertaining, please help me to grow this channel by subscribing and leave a comment below. I'm using Tamiya panel line accent color black and clean up the excess paint with Zippo lighter fluid. These are water decals from local brand. I use it because it's affordable and pretty good for its price. I just imagine the layout and put any graphics that might work, and sometimes I need to change it if it's become a distraction to the whole picture. All parts have been put decals on, and let's see the result. And please enjoy the rest of the video.